across to my colleague Amandeep, who's joining us from outside the Ambala airbase as we try and sort out the audio problem with Lieutenant General Sanjay Kulkarni. Amandeep, give us a sense of the kind of palpable excitement that you would see around the Ambala airbase, even though there has been Section 144 that has been imposed. But having said that, take us through the latest visuals that you're getting in, and also the kind of excitement that perhaps would be just around the airbase with the Rafale touching down anytime now.
Yes, Shravan, I would like to tell you that Rafale has done the fly past on the Ambala airbase, and now they have touched the ground here in the Ambala airbase. Rafale have finally landed at Ambala airbase. The moment when everyone was waiting for, that is right now, and in fact they have given a fly past before touching the ground at Ambala airbase, and a beautiful fly past showing the entire power of that fighter jet, the game changer. They have shown their voice, they have shown their beautiful visuals on the Ambala airbase, and now they have touched the ground. All the first phase with 5 Rafales, they have now at Ambala airbase. The moment every Indian was waiting for since morning, the news was coming out that expected today, and now it was already here and now touched the ground. It is a part of now Indian Air Force and will create the history in future. And this is the latest update. A beautiful fly pass. This is very much interesting. A beautiful fly pass has been done before landing and before touching the ground at the Ambala Air Base. So this was the message from the Indian Air Force, showing the entire visuals, showing the beautiful visuals on all the cameras of the media. And this is how they are trying to tell the entire nation that now Rafale is a part of Indian Air Force and will create history, and it's the biggest threat for the other enemies of this nation. Yes, Shravan.
Amandeep, I'm told that it's already landed. I'm told that's already landed.
Yes, exactly, Shravan. The Rafales has already landed and touched the ground at Ambala Air Base, and this is what I'm trying to tell you, our viewers, that before touching the ground at Ambala Air Force, the beautiful fly pass has been done on the
Amandeep, thank you very much. Amandeep, thank you very much.
Yes, Shravan.
Amandeep, thank you very much for getting us the latest, and what a moment to have